Life is found on one planet of the infinite universe, which was named Earth. That Earth is roaming in its own pace, cherishing hundreds of countries and thousands of societies and cultures.
There may be differences of opinion on the creator of the universe and the earth, but the creators of social cultures are human beings.
Those who, along with their progress, divided the life generated on the earth between water, land, forest and mountain for their selfishness.
Same way human beings along with color, gender, caste and religion and inequality has engulfed human life.
Due to this inequality, there are sometimes fierce wars between nations on this earth, and sometimes social, religious frenzy.
So sometimes human ego, by becoming an obstacle in the peace of human life itself, pushes it towards destruction.
Just as man has given rise to inequality, in the same way only man can end inequality.
But for that, a certain direction and elements need to be imbibed by the whole world.
And those elements are of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar,
who after studying the ideas of great scholars from all over the world fought for human equality throughout his life.
And not only won over it, but he built the Indian state phenomenon in such a way, by tying the land of the most disintegrated human beings in the whole world in a single thread, it moved forward in the direction of progress.
Taking a lesson from him, the whole world should take a pledge to follow the path shown by him.
So let us the people of the whole world celebrate his birthday, 14th April, as Universal Equality Day and take a pledge to follow the path shown by him.
And moving forward in this direction today, on 14th April 2023, Zoomathon is being organized,
in which representatives of more than 42 countries from every continent of the world are participating.
This Zoomathon will last for 24 hours. Which will start exactly in the morning at 10 am, Australian time, and will continue to run with the time zone of that participant country.
First, all the representative of New Zealand and Australia zone will impart their lecture on this topic.
From Asian zone, Timor-Leste, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand.
After that, representatives of Sri Lanka, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan will present their views from their zone.
After that, Oman, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Israel, Cyprus, Egypt will participate.
After that, from the African zone, South Africa and Tanzania.
From Europe zone, Bulgaria, Hungary, Italy, Netherlands, Belgium,